Alright guys, welcome to our, that's another introductory video on lecture, should I call it, on the content writing. And let's get the content writing concept started. So, what is content writing? Content writing is the process of planning, writing, and editing web content, typically for digital marketing purposes. So, whatever you're gonna see on the internet in the written form, it can either be the content written by the content writer, or is it going to be copywriting, or is it going to be academic writing? So content writing is basically that when you go in the internet, let's go into the internet, okay? So let's say that I go to how to treat cancer. Alright, so I posted a query, and most of the people do that. They just look for any random stuff on the internet. They just go there and look for the information available on the internet, right? And that information is in the form of content writing. For example, if I have to search about how to treat cancer, I'll go there, and some content writing would have posted something on the internet regarding its treatment. And all these websites, types of cancer treatment by National Cancer Institute, someone in the National Cancer Institute must be writing something about it, and that's another cancer, that's an official site, but it must be written by a content writer or someone in their as a public servant must be writing about it as a content writing, obviously. So that's again a site, mayoclinic.com.org. Let's open one of them, okay? Let's open one of them, right? And let's see what is in there. Yeah, so that's overview, why it's done, how to treat it, primary treatment, adjuvant treatment, palliative treatment, what you can expect, surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, bone marrow transplant, immunotherapy, hormone therapy, targeted drug. These are all the methodologies, the treatment options for the treatment. And all these content, whatever you see there on the internet, it's written by a content writer. And on there, this is basically an ad, user math, knowledge to earn money. That's something written by that's an ad that gives you money. That's advertisement, just like on the internet, on the YouTube channel. That's all the part of entertainment. That's a website, and that's the WordPress of that website. And all the information here is written by a content writer. So that's the content writing for you. Now, let's get back to the topic again. What is included in the content writing? It includes web content, review articles, blogging, article writing, ghost writing, script writing, story writing. So all these are, story writing, we're going to talk about it briefly in the creative writing as well. Script writing, all the shows or on the internet or on the digital platform, well, these are all written by the script writers. For example, if you see some informative video on the YouTube, it must be written by a content writer, right? So that's script writing. Ghost writing is writing as a freelancer on someone else's platform. That's ghost writing. Article writing is writing on the internet, as simple as it is. Blogging is a concept quite parallel to that one. Review writing is about you saw information and you wrote a review on it. Review writing is very closely related to academic writing, and most of the people believe that review writing is basically academic writing, but it comes under the umbrella of both. Web content, that's the internet content in its simplest of definitions. Now there is an important thing for us to understand, and that thing is to determine the differentiate between academic writing and content writing. Now what is academic writing? Academic writing is a formal style of writing used in university and scholarly publications. So I'm gonna go on the internet and let you guys give a look on some academic writing. So I'm gonna go on Google Scholar, right? I'm gonna press it, open here, right? So that's Google Scholar. Let's write the same topic, cancer treatment. Oh, okay, fine. Okay, fine. All right. So cancer treatment. So this is a research publication. This is a research publication. This is, I guess, also a research publication. All these are the research publication, and these are written by the researchers. And the researchers, they are academic writer. They're not content writer. They're doing research and putting things about it. And similarly guys, the assignments, if a client comes in and he wants you to write an assignment, that's not academic writing. That's not content writing. That's academic writing, right? And so is the publication, so is the reports, so is the essays, university brochures, for example, catalogs, university cover letters. These are all written by academic writers, not by content writers. So you can be an academic writer too, but if you want to be an academic writer, it's gonna change your profession altogether. If you want to be an academic writer, you have to be an academic writer. And here we're talking about content writing, not academic writing, right? So we're gonna focus on academic writing, not on the content writing. So we're gonna stick to our topic, which is content writing. And the next thing is very important for you to know. That's copywriting for you guys. Now what is copywriting? Copywriting, let's load the slide. Okay, the activity or occupation of writing the text or of advertisement or publicity material. Anything that is written in order to increase the sales or increase the leads on a platform, that work is copywriting. It is in the form of Amazon product description. So the Amazon product descriptions are basically written by the copywriters, not by the content writer. Sales scripts, advertisement boards, and pamphlets, video commercials. So when you see something on the internet that is primarily done for introducing that company or introducing the services of a company or introducing what the company offers you, that's all comes under the copywriting, right? And that's very interesting skill as well. So we're going to talk more about copywriting in our coming lectures, but here we're sticking to because it's a content writing course, we're sticking primarily to content writing. So which one to choose? If you're an academic writer and you have written research paper, then you should definitely go for academic writer. Copywriting is good because offers better pay per word. That's PPP. It means pay per word than content writing. While the content writing also great, guys. Now, what you should be. Copywriting gives you more pay word than the content writing. But here's the point. Copywriting scripts are very short. These are very short. For example, let's just go to Amazon.com. Let me just Amazon.com, and let's just go here. So let's just go and any stuff. Okay, which one? Headset. Okay, I like it. I like this one. That's catchy. 2, and let's go for okay, I found my bestseller. Okay, fine, great. So that's a product I found on the internet, and that's a product description. Oh, it looks so cool, guys. Okay, it looks great. It really looks great. Okay, I'm in love with this product. I want to buy it, man. Come on. Okay, so yeah, that's so great. That's great. It's classy. It's very stylish. I would buy that. So all the information that is written here, it's about this item. It starts from here and it ends here. It's actually a copywriter stuff. That's not written by a content writer. It's actually written by a copywriter. So as you can see, okay, let me just tell you okay, hold on a second. Let me just open my Word document real quick. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. Guys. Okay. Where is my Word? Where's the Word document? Is it here? Come on. Yeah. Let's just paste the information here. So let me just. That's 258 words, as you can see here. So that's 258 words. So that's a one sort of topic or one assignment, to write 258 words product description. And a client may ask you to write, let's say to write it in 5 let's say $0.2 pay per word, right? So if I just go to my calculator here, calculator, okay, great, that's my calculator. Okay, I'm just doing everything for you guys. Okay, so 0.2 pay per word in dollars multiplied by 258, that's equivalent to $51.6, right? So that's the amount of money that you have earned from writing this product description, right? So now I'm gonna go on some content writing stuff, right? So let's go to a very famous website, which is called medium.com, and I'm here, and let's just go on this side, and alright, yeah, so let's just go here and open it. Come on, man, open it. Is it opening? Yeah. So let me just okay, I'm just copying every detail. So I have just copied the complete article for you guys, and I'm gonna copy it, paste it here. So that's 1202 words for you. So a client may ask you to write a 1200. So most of the time a subject or a topic on content writing starts from minimum 200 words, and it can get to 3000 words, or yeah, mostly it is between 500 to 3000 words in order to get a better SEO, which is search engine optimization. I'm going to talk about it in the next lectures. So that's 1200 words for you guys. So a client will ask you to, let's say that's 1500, so that he'll tell you, okay, let me just, to write a content for $0.1 pay per word as a content writing, and ask you to write an article, and the word limit for that article is, let's say on average is 1200. So that's $12, right? So that's the minimum. That's not even, okay, so that's not even, no one pays you $0.1. So normally what you are paid, let's say you are paid, so let me tell you how much I charge them. I charge them $0.5, not $0.5. So sometime I charge them, okay, for most of you people, you have to start with $0.25 pay per word as a content writer. So $0.25 multiplied by $1,200 is equivalent to $300. That's what an ideal content writer or a content writer with level 2 selling record on the Fiverr, or with 96 to 100%, or with a great portfolio on the Upwork, will earn from one article. So $300 is way more than $50. And another important thing about the content writing is that once you start writing, you have to just follow. You just need to, if you are good in writing, then and if you have the planning and if you have the research, then you just need to start writing it, right? So the point is, don't get lost in the music. Okay. So the point is that in the content writing, you are paid more than the copywriting. So that's my point here. So I would highly suggest you to be a content writer rather than a copywriter, because the pay per word is although higher in copywriting, but still overall you're gonna make more money as a content writer than in the copywriting. So can I be a content writer as well as a copywriter? Alright, so that's actually a question for you guys, because you have taken this lecture and it's a concept for you guys. So what do you think? The answer is, okay, the answer is written here. You can be both. You can be both. You can be both. But I'm telling you, and it's a pro tip for you, just stick to one thing. Just be a master in one dish, okay? Just be good at one thing, and I'll tell you, you will get everything from just one niche. You're gonna earn a lot from each, because everything sells, guys. If you're good in writing on Amazon, you will get so many clients on for the Amazon that you might have not that you have to outsource this at some time. So just stick to one thing, stick to content writing. That's my suggestion for you guys, and just follow it, because when you're mastering something, then you will obviously have a portfolio on a certain things, and you will be able to showcase your talent way better than someone who is a jack of all trade and master of none. So that's my advice for you guys. It's a pro tip for you. Just stick to one dish, just stick to one thing, and just stick to content writing. Alright, that's the end of our second lecture, and see you guys in the next lecture. Goodbye.